What's up guys, it's Sayak, and this is a kind of a sequel to a video that I made at the initial stage of my channel, which was do you need a screen protector, and which, this is not wrong to say, gave me more than half of my audience. But anyway, enough of background history. The video is in the cards, by the way, in case you're wondering. So phone cases. Let me tell you first that the importance and the status of phone cases have changed drastically recently, and it's been automatic. So let me tell you if you need one or not. It's very simple. Smartphones have changed a lot over time, and not every feature of a phone has gotten good, but there are actually a couple of things which have proven to be worse. Bezels of smartphones nowadays have almost shrunk to none, bringing in the worst case scenario of damages with even just a slight hit or dash. It's not like those golden days when the phones with big fat bezels, we did not have to worry about, say, screen replacement at least. I mean, if we drop them somehow, but even though the screen replacements were not that costly since then. So yeah, if you are about 95% sure with yourself that you are not going to drop your phone just like that, then you're probably fine with a naked phone, or might be a skin on top of it might be great, unless money is not an issue and buying a new phone is just a matter of. And for the others who kind of go dropping your devices here and there, I'd probably advise you to go with a case, and go with the cases which are certified from damage of the phones. Nowadays there are a lot of them. I mean, the cheap ones, the extremely cheap ones, do not perform the job quite well. I mean, it does protect your phone, but you can't really be sure about them. And if in case you have the phones with thick and really thick fat bottom and lower top and bottom bezels, even then the side bezels on every phone in 2017 is kind of extremely narrow, and you are out of hope. So yeah, definitely go for a case if you are not confident enough with yourself and design is not a big thing for you. I think the state is going to be same for a while now, unless we see some real rigidity from Gorilla Glass for both the back and front panels, since nowadays the backs are also made of glass for wireless charging. And we're going to break phones like that. We are the destroyers. So that's been it, I think. Let me know in the comments below that you buy your case bundled with your phone, or design is a priority for you guys. That's been it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.